All right, guys, you are welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers. A lot of people have been frustrated with the Sidra project, and some people are asking questions. What is the latest updates regarding to what Sidra is building? Because since we connected our wallets, a lot of people have not received their tokens. The Sidra projects have not released any updates. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing you some key updates that you need to know about the Sidra project, and also we are going to be discussing about the tokens movement from your Sidra wallet into your MetaMask or your connected wallet, whatever wallet that you connected. So this video is going to be very important to anybody who has been participating in this particular project. But before we go into that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you will be getting new updates whenever we upload new videos in this channel. First of all, we have slowed down in updating the community. That's because the gadget we are using to create our content, it has been missing. So we are still struggling and trying to replace, but we are still active. And will still continue to update the community. Now if you come over to the Sidra app, first of all, I'm going to, you see these three dots right here. You can actually, you see the way my screen is, I actually set it so you can actually zoom in. So let me zoom in so that you can see very well. So once you come over here, you need to be claiming. So it's already working perfectly, although some people are still complaining. So what you need to do is just go ahead, click right here, and then you are going to see that it has captured. And once it has captured, you are going to see that you have gotten two Sidra, and you can see it has added up to my balance right here. So the app is already claiming smoothly. So now if you come over to the wallet section right here, so you are going to see that you can see this option to move your coins. Now when the wallet connection started, I showed you how you can connect your wallet using the Bitget wallet. I don't know those who have used, but if you use MetaMask, I believe you would have gotten yours a long time ago. But if you use Bitget, then this is what you are going to do. If you use Bitget, this is what you are going to do. You are going to head over to your Bitget wallet and then locate your wallet right here. So click on it. So if you click on it, you can see that my tokens have successfully been deposited to my Bitget wallet. So you need to check yours, and then you are going to see that you have received your SDA tokens. So this is what I have right here, and this is what I had on my Sidra wallet, and it has been moved to my wallet. So right here I own it because I have the keys with me. That is my seed phrase. My seed phrase is with me now. If you have seen yours like this, congratulations, it has been moved. But if it has not been moved, what you need to do is come over here and then click on move all your coins, and then follow the instructions, and then wait for some days. You are going to receive your tokens. And if you have moved yours and you have not seen it, what you need to do is relax. They are processing it bit by bit, and you are definitely going to receive yours, just as I've received mine. Many people have been receiving theirs both on MetaMask, on SafePal, or any wallet that you connected. So a lot of people have been receiving theirs. And for those of you that did not connect, I don't know what I'm going to say, because there are currently so many upgrades running on the app. And the reason they asked us to connect the wallet was so that they can move our coins and keep it safe, because it looks like, you know, they have run an upgrade like this before and people lost their tokens and they were unable to get their tokens back. So the purpose of connecting this wallet was so that they can move your wallet, so that there won't be any need for you to be able to cry that, oh, you mine your coins and they disappear. So that is what they were trying to avoid this time around. And I believe that you connected. For those of you that did not connect, like I said, I don't know whether you are going to receive your tokens. And for those of you that have lost your tokens, it is so sad that after all your effort, you know, well, I don't know, but the one that Sidra did now about connecting wallet is also, if you have connected and you have lost your coins but you connected your wallet, there are still high chances that you are going to get your tokens, because there is a reason why Sidra asked us to connect our wallet. Very important. So now, so many of you are asking, why is this delay from the Sidra team? Now I want you to know something. Any project that does well always have time, always take enough time to be able to build. So now And when things are coming close to the listing, they always also make sure that they stress people in such a way that the community can give up. If you remember, during the Notcoin, you discovered that before Notcoin listed, when they stopped their mining, it took them I think about 4 to 5 months. No information, nothing. And so many people also gave up. They forgot about the project. They were like, well, let's just forget that this thing ever existed. And all of a sudden, after that time, they just came out and they announced the listing, and the listing was not far. So now, this might be something that Sidra chain is also doing, and Pi too also took time in order to be able to list. All of these projects, any project that have done well, always make sure that they give time to themselves, especially when the listing is coming close. They make sure they give time to be able to build, so that when they must have built, it will be something worth what they have been building and working towards. So for those of you that have purchased Sidra or that don't have Sidra at all, well, what I would advise is, like I always say, if you feel that you believe in this project and you don't want to mine, because some people have already been frustrated with the mining mechanism. Like sometimes you mine today, you are unable to mine tomorrow, you are unable to mine for the next 1 week, and then you mine again. For those of you that have been passing through that and you cannot handle it because you are offended, you are angry with the project, what I would suggest is you buy some tokens. You buy. If you have some money, some change that you know that you're not going to be needing now, like something you are thinking as you are keeping it for long term, an investment, you can buy it. Like I always say, don't use money that you know that you are going to be needing it in the next few months, or you start, or don't go and borrow money and say you want to buy a coin. No, let it be your spare cash that you know that you are not making use of it. Just buy it and hold it until when you hear the listing. For now, if you look at it, when I started buying Sidra to hold, Sidra was just about 40 to 50 naira in my currency, in my Nigerian currency. As at now, as I'm talking to you, Sidra is selling between 90 and 120 120 naira right now. That is more than double. So which means that all the Sidra coins I have bought in the past, if I decide to sell them right now, I'm going to my amount, the amount that I use is already times 2. You understand it? So all the coins that I've purchased so far, if I want to sell them, I'm already in profit, 100% profit. You get it? So you can buy it, keep it. When you hear listing, you can decide to sell, because of course, even you don't have to wait for listing. If you buy it and you like I just gave you a scenario now, the ones that I bought before, if I decide to sell now, I will make profit. But the thing is, I won't make profit as much as when it is around the listing time or when it has listed. You get it? So for now, it is left on you. What I will advise you is just make sure that you position, get some Sidra coins, and for those of you who are still mining, make sure that you do. Now there is an information I'm going to share in my next video. I'm still doing some research about it because I don't know how true it is, but I'm going to share with the community. So make sure that you hit the subscription button so that you get that information. So it's a very vital information that every participant of this project needs to know. So I just get it from an insider, and I'm still working to be sure that this information is actually legit. So because I always make sure that I verify whatever information I'm sharing to the community, so that I won't share something fake, so that I won't share something that the community will be doubting. And I love to show proofs and sources of my information, so that you also know. So that's it, guys, and that's what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. So